Hi guys, this is Michu and welcome to Myntra's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to get flawless and glowy makeup look which will make you look nothing less than a celebrity. I've gotten all my products here and I got it from Myntra's beauty section. So let's get into it. When it comes to flawless glowy makeup base, you have to start with a good skincare routine. So I'm going to start with Kama Ayurveda Rose Water Mist. This is a mist which makes my skin so refreshing. I always like to spray some on my face. It smells so good. Next, I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This gives my skin that plumpy effect. For my moisturizer, I'm going to use my favorite moisturizer of all time. It's a Clinique Moisture Surge. This will make sure my skin is hydrated enough. You guys can already see how my skin is glowing. Now the next step is the most important step in your skincare routine and you cannot skip it. It's the sunscreen and I'm going to use my current favorite sunscreen from Dot & Key. It's called Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Sunscreen. It's a lightweight sunscreen and does not leave any white cast. Skincare is done. Now moving on to makeup. First, I'm going to use the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. This will make sure you have that celebrity glow. I'll just apply it all over my face. Next, for my foundation, I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Skin Dew Serum Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. It has buildable coverage and it is infused with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide and it gives you that nice subtle glow. I'm going to dot it all over my face. Little goes a long way. Now, let's blend it out. Can you see how smoothly everything is blending in? It's all because of the skincare, honey. Foundation is done and now to just hide my dark circles, I'm going to use this concealer from Ellie Girl and I'm in the shade Pure Beige. It's a very lightweight concealer. It doesn't crease and it gives you that skin-like finish. You can also add the concealer like this to give that nice lifted look. And make sure when you're blending this out, blend in upward direction like this. Can you see the difference? Let's quickly set our concealer using the Fit Me Compact and the shade Natural Beige. Just where you have applied your concealer, whatever products I have used are listed in the description box below, so do check it out. It's time for my favorite part, which is blush. Today I'm going to use Berry M Cheek and Lip Tint. I'm more of a tint person. I just feel it's more natural looking, and since today we are achieving celebrity look, I think it's the best option for us. Let's take some out. It's such a beautiful color. In your skin like this. Again, I'm blending in upward direction to get that lifted look. It's all about the technique. I think most of the look we see today are more of a no makeup look, and that's the main reason why I'm not going for some poppy pink color and instead I have gone for this nice peachy tone blush. Whatever products I have used are listed in the description box below, so do check it out. Of course, we're gonna add some glow, and for which again I'm gonna using Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter to get that nice luminous effect. It's very pigmented, so make sure you take a very tiny amount of it. Just see the magic. I'm placing it on the high points of my face. For my brows, I just like to brush my brows like this in upward direction, and I'm using this product from Berry M. It's called Brow Wow. About the product, it has a spoolie brush here and you also have the product to fill in your brows, but I just like to use the spoolie side to brush my brows. For the eye look, we are gonna achieve a subtle brown eye makeup, and I feel मैंने बहुत देखा है कि सारे celebrity आजकल वो subtle से brown smoky eyes करते हैं, जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत sexy भी लगता है. Which I have picked this palette from MAC and it's called Amber x9. We'll also use MAC Eye Kohl in the shade Teddy. It's a beautiful chocolate color, so let's dive into it. We'll begin with drawing a basic line. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just follow the natural line of your eyes. So right now it's looking really flat. So to add some color, we're gonna pick this shade and just apply it all over your lid. If you see, I'm just building the crease. Now let's just add a pop of shimmer on the center of the lid. complete my eye look, I'm gonna add mascara, for which I'm gonna use Maybelline New York the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Whatever products I have used are listed in the description box below, so do check it out. For my lips, I'm taking my favorite nude combo, Sugar Beauty's lip liner in the shade Taffeta Terracotta. And for my lipstick, I'm using L'Oreal Paris in the shade I Explore. So happy with this lip combo. It has literally pulled the whole look together. And now to set my whole look, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Revitalize 8-in-1 Primer Essence. It's my favorite. Such a good setting spray. It gives you that nice glowy effect and also makes your makeup last really longer. I'll quickly change my outfit and I'll be right back. So this is the final look, and I think it's a perfect glitz and glam look. So I think we managed to achieve that celebrity glow. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe this channel, and also I have mentioned all the products in the description box below, so do check it out. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.